Good morning once again. Today we are going to see articles. So in the last class, in the last video, we have seen parts of speech and we have seen 8 parts of speech. Okay? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition and interjection. Now today we will see articles. So friends, there are total 3 articles. A and the. There are only 3 articles, but these 3 articles confuse us very much, and we are very confused when we should use a, where we should use an, and where we should use the. So there are 2 types of rules for using articles: the general rules and the exceptions. So friends, let us start with the general rules. There are 3 general rules of using articles. Okay? General rules. So according to the first general rule, we will see where we should use article A. Use of article A means where we should use article A. So remember our first video in which I have taught you about the basic concepts of English alphabets, in which we have seen there are 26 alphabet in English language, and out of them 5 are vowels, that are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 are consonants. So if a word starts with any one of the 21 consonants, then we use article A before it. If a word starts with any one of the 21 consonants, then we use article A before it. For example, if a word starts with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, if any word starts with any consonant, any one of 21 consonant, then we use article A before it. For example, a bat, a cat, a dog. In the first word, the word starts with B, it is a consonant. In the second, it starts with C, it is a consonant. In the third, it starts with D, it is also a consonant. All the 3 words start with the consonant, therefore we have used article A before it. This is the first general rule. We are talking about general rules. Okay friends, now the second rule, the general second rule. According to the second general rule, where we should use article and. So if a word starts with any one of the 5 vowels, then we use article and before it. So if a word starts with any one of the 5 vowels, 5 vowels means A, E, I, O, U. If a word starts with any one of the 5 vowels, then we use article an before it. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream. The first word starts with A, it is a vowel. The second word starts with E, it is also a vowel. The third word starts with I, it is also a vowel. And we have used article and before all the 3 words. Okay, so we have seen where we should use article and. Now the third rule, the third general rule, use of article the, where we should use article the. Remember friends, we are talking about the general rules. We are talking only about the general rules. Thereafter we will see the exceptions to the general rule. Okay, exceptions to the general rule. So about according to the third general rule of using article, where we should use article the. Article the is used before the word which refers to a unique or particular thing. Article the is used before the word which refers to a unique or particular thing. Means to use article the, it is necessary that we are talking about a unique thing which is only one in the whole universe, or when we are talking about a particular thing, a particular type of thing. For example, the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal. Here there is only one sun, there is only one moon, and there is only one Taj Mahal. Now the article is also used before the thing which is particular. Means when we are talking about a particular thing, then we use article the before it. For example, let us see. Look carefully. This is a pen. The pen is mine. Now look at both the two sentences. Means I have used two sentences in a single example, and in the first sentence I used a before pen, and in the second sentence I have used the before the same thing, that is pen. Now how this happens? So look at me. This is a pen. This is a pen. It means there are millions of pens around the world. There are millions of pens around the world, and out of those millions of pens, it is one pen. Only one, a single pen, a simple pen. Therefore I used a, because it is not a particular pen. Because it is not a particular pen, it is only a pen. But in the second sentence I am talking about this particular pen. This is a pen, but this pen, the pen, is mine. The pen is mine. Therefore, I have used the in the second sentence. In the first sentence, I am not talking about a particular thing, I am talking about a common thing. But in the second sentence, I am talking about this particular thing, and therefore I have used the word the article the. So is that clear to you? Okay, so these are the general rules of using articles. Now we will see exceptions to the general rule. Now we will see exceptions to the general rules. Okay, now friends, we will see exceptions to the general rule. We have already seen the rules, general rules of using articles. Now we will see exceptions to the general rules. Okay, so we have seen that there are three general rules: how to use article a, how to use article and how to use article the. So according to the first general rule, we have to use article a before the word if it starts with any one consonant. According to general rule number 2, if a word starts with any vowel, then we have to use article and before it. And when we talk about any particular or unique thing, we use article the before it. Now there are two exceptions to these general rules. The first exception is that sometimes a word starts with a consonant and we use article and before it. And second exception is that sometimes a word starts with any vowel and we use article a before it. Now look at both the exceptions very carefully. According to the general rule, if a word starts with consonant, then we have to use article a before it. But sometimes we use article and before it. And according to the second exception, according to the general rule, if a word starts with any vowel, then we have to use article and before it. But here, according to the exception, we use article a before it. For example, an honest man, an honorable person. Here, in all the three words, an honest man, honest starts with H, an R starts with H, and an honorable man, honorable starts with H. All the three words starts with H. But we have used an before these words. Why it has done? Because in the word honest, R, and honorable, the sound of H is silent. The sound of H is silent, and we used honest, not honest, R, not har, and honorable, not honorable. So we have used the sound of vowel in all the three words and not the sound of consonant. Therefore, we have used article and before these words. And here, according to the second exception, Sometimes a word starts with any vowel and we use article a before it. For example, a uniform, a unique, a university. Now here uniform, unique and university, all the three words starts with U, and U is a vowel, but here when we use the sound of vowel, we use the sound of consonant U, Y, university, here, university, uniform, unique, here. We do not say uniform, unique, university. So we have used the sound of consonant, therefore we have used article a before the words, even though they have started with any vowel. So this is the short information about using the articles. Hope you have understood it very nicely and very easily. So in the next class we will start the very important topic of English grammar, and that is tense. So I have given the link of my video in which I have described verb in the description box. Please click on that link and please watch the video on verb so that it will be easy for you to understand tense. So have a nice day. Thank you.